Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I found a nature reserve. We're gonna go drive around and do a little bit of drone flying, and I'm gonna vlog it for you guys and show you what it's all about. As you can see back there on my workbench and on the floor, I got a mess to deal with here in my garage on my workbench before I can do any more videos. But for today I'm gonna show you guys this nature reserve center, do some driving around, vlog it for you guys, and fly my drone around a little bit and let you see what it looks like. So we're gonna get loaded up and get out there, and we'll put you guys back on. All right guys, here we are at the nature reserve, and we haven't seen any animals yet, but when we do, I'll update you. Still no animals yet, guys, but we're looking. Here in a little bit, I'm gonna put my drone up when I find a good place. Oh, there is a deer. Right up there. There's a deer over there. There's a lot of trails in here. Still haven't seen too many animals, guys. It's pretty cold out here, but we're still looking. We see one deer back. I'll update you guys again when we see something cool. Look at the lake, guys. place we see to park. We're gonna park and stop for a minute. Hey guys, here we are. The family is on a nature refuge. And there's supposed to be a little island out here, and I'm fixing to take you guys for a drone flight. Flip you around and show you this lake. I heard something. Thought that was a goat. Look guys, look at all the lily pads. We're gonna get out in a minute, son. I'm gonna park over there. All right guys, here we are. This is the Fort Worth Nature Center, but it's a nature preservation area where animals can run free and enjoy the wilderness. There's a big cliff up there. It's like a little open area field. Just thought I'd show you guys for a minute. I'm fixing to launch the drone, so here we go. Roll that drone footage now. guys, so let me know down in the comments what you thought about that drone video. We're still here at the Nature Refuge Center, Wildlife Center. It's pretty cool. I like this place. There's a lot of trails and stuff. I may come back here again sometime. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think about that drone video. And we're gonna do a little bit more vlogging, and then that's gonna be the end of it. So I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, that's the end of the vlog. Showed you guys around the Fort Worth Nature Center and Refuge. See, there's the sign back there. Let me flip you around and show you. There it is, guys. Fort Worth Nature Center and Refuge. Parks and Recreation Department, Fort Worth. So that's where we went to. That's the end of the video. You guys let me know what you think about the drone footage down in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.